make sure you subscribe to my channel.
In today's video, I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. If this is actually your first time coming across this device, then you are very lucky I made this video. I am going to cover a very wide range of features which comes with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, its review, key specs, and designs. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now. Guys, I'm ready to ditch my Pixel for Samsung's Mini Foldable. I hate to admit it, but I might have a new favorite phone. Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 4 is the latest version of the company's smaller, foldable. This time Samsung previous delivered a longer battery life, increased durability, and a slightly more useful external display. With the same $1,000 starting price as before, the Z Flip 4 costs about the same as an iPhone 13 Pro and a Galaxy S22 Plus. First, let's discuss the designs. This is one of the devices that you can fold in half and easily stuff them in pockets, small bags, or other tight spaces. Quite handy and smart looking, as you can see. The device comes in 6.7 inches display diagonally. Its aspect ratio of 20:9 makes it slightly longer and narrower than most phones. On the camera, we cannot say the Flip 4's cameras are bad. They're actually surprisingly capable, especially the pair of 12 megapixel sensors on the outside. With larger 1.8-micron pixels than the Flip 3, the primary and ultra-wide cameras both delivered impressively colorful and sharp pictures. Just like the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the Flip 4 takes warmer and more saturated pictures than the Pixels, but less red than the iPhones. Some of the pictures you can see here are clear shots I took with my Flip 4.